How to find the right expert. Once you have created a project, the next step is to find experts for your project. Remember, if you chose your privacy settings as all Kolabtree experts while creating your project, then all experts on Kolabtree can view your project and submit their proposals. However, if you selected the invitation-only option, then it is up to you to invite the specific experts you wish to collaborate with. As Kolabtree hosts over 20,000 freelancers across fields, finding the perfect match can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's walk you through it. Start by heading to the Find an Expert page on Kolabtree homepage. Alternatively, go to the relevant project on your dashboard and select Invite Experts. Both actions will take you to the Browse Experts tab, where using certain keywords and filters, you can search for suitable candidates. The platform automatically suggests keywords and sets filters based on your project, but you can always add or remove them for better accuracy and to further refine your search. For example, if you wish to hire experts working in the same time zone as you, you can select the country from which you would prefer to hire. Browse through the list and review experience, expertise, and typical fees. You can also click on View Full Profile to gain further details on work experiences and education and other achievements. Once you've found a few experts that you like, click on Invite Expert. A message window will appear with your project title and a space to add a note to the expert. You can add something like, "Hello, XYZ. I think your profile matches exactly what I'm looking for. I'd love to invite you to bid on my project." Make sure to include any other important detail that you would like to define up front. For example, please note that this would be a time-sensitive project and the defined timelines would be non-negotiable. Once you have drafted your message, click Invite. The expert will receive your request and can choose to accept or decline. It typically takes up to 24 to 48 hours to receive a proposal from the experts. If, for any reason, invited experts do not respond, you can reach out to the team at contact@kolabtree.com, and they will reach out to the expert on your behalf. Now you know how to find an expert on Kolabtree. If you need further support, head to the FAQ section on www.kolabtree.com. If you can't find your answer there, write to us at contact@kolabtree.com.